Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I'm back at it again. I'm in the Barrio of Gracia. I'll try and spell it right this time. And yeah, I have a plumbing job this morning. I'm very happy about it too. Um, Yesterday was Sunday, obviously, and I had nothing planned. The rest of the week, I'm good. I have jobs every day. But last night I was sitting around. I was like, I have no work tomorrow. It sucks. I hate when I don't have any work. There's other stuff I can do. But anyway, I got a call late last night about a runny toilet, it looks like. So I'm going to take a look at it. All right? Hope you guys enjoy this week. All right, see ya. Okay, guys, I thought it was a runny toilet, but I was wrong. It was about low pressure in the toilet. There wasn't any water coming through, and the tank wasn't filling up. There was pressure in the shower, in the sink, and the rest of the house. I thought I was just coming to replace maybe one of the mechanisms inside, but actually no, they were working fine. Hey guys, I got a call about low pressure in the toilet. So I was actually wrong on my first video. I'll show you what it was actually. So there was actually all kinds of rocks and pebbles in the llave de paso, I can't remember what this is called in English. And yeah, so I just replaced it all. I checked the hoses first. There was no problem with the hoses. So I replaced the llave de paso, and everything's working now. So everything's filling up. Okay. It was very difficult to record in here. Very small bathroom, but it's all good. Morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning, and today I have an install, 3 ceiling fans, an additional light, and fixing, I think, an electrical switch. I'm not sure. I'm actually working in Badalona today. That is a municipality north of Barcelona, just above the city. It's really close. I can still reach it by metro. So I do work here often. I will go to Badalona. Well, I'll go to the surrounding areas of Barcelona. Enjoy the install today. I'm excited to work today. Haven't done a ceiling fan in a couple weeks now, so it should be good. All right, guys. I actually didn't record. I wasn't sure the customers would feel comfortable, but they did give me a 5-star review, which I live for. And everything went fine at this house. I was able to do everything they needed done, and yeah, they were happy. They also had trouble with this electrical switch, actually a dimmer switch. If you look at the photo, it actually says fusible y recambio. Fusible is a fuse. Fusible was actually bad, and we just had to replace it with a new one, and the light switch worked. I never ran into this, so I got to learn something new, which I love, as you know. And yeah, it worked out. Everything was good. Okay, guys, second job of the day. I got a montaje here. This is a customer that I work for all the time. They work in real estate, and they have a bunch of properties all over the city. I got hooked up with them a couple years ago. There's always something for me to do, repairs, painting. I'm happy with the relationship we have. Let's go! Montajes are good sometimes, and sometimes they really suck. This one doesn't look like it's going to be so bad. IKEA is really the best. IKEA stuff, it looks nice when it's done. It's the instructions are incredible when you compare it to some of the other brands out there. The instructions are great. This thing is like, it's cheap. The type of thing that goes into a rental property. That's what this is. This won't be a pain in the ass. All right, so it's basically done. I just need to fix it to the wall. It doesn't fall. Good there. And looks like we're good here. We got green. You guys see the green? Green means we're good. I'm just putting a size 5. I mean, this thing weighs nothing, and it's not really, I mean, it'll be holding some coats, but I mean, even if it falls, it's not going to be devastating. It's not really going to hurt anybody, so, I mean, it shouldn't even fall with a 5. It should be fine. Okay guys, it's finished. Got my sweater and my coat hanging on it. I want to know, what would you have charged for this? Let me tell you everything that went into this. Number one, it was kind of like an emergency call out. The guy, I have a good relationship with him, and he asked me last night if I could come today, which I was able to squeeze it in. It wasn't like 100% sure I could, but I was able to. I had to pick up the box from his office. I had to bring my cart here, which I hardly ever do. I built it, and now I actually have to go and give the keys back to him. I left my house at about 2:45. It's 4:30 now. So right now I have an hour and 45 minutes to the job already. Probably another 15 to take the keys back, and then I gotta go home. You know, you're looking at 2.5 hours for this job. Stupid little thing, it's nothing, but for my business, I do need to charge, I do need to charge for this. I need to charge a good rate to make it worth my while. What would you charge for this? At the end of the video, I'll let you know what I charged. Hey guys, let me show you what I've been doing all day. Pretty tired. So my customer, he has a room, and it has a lot of, he's taking a lot of power, and he needed more power. As you can see, he's running a few servers and some large high-end computers. The original idea was to put in a sub panel and do a separate EGA, separate differential and everything, but I noticed in his electrical board that there was actually a space that we could fit another fuse, and we could do a separate line for all the electric for this room alone. Today we fitted a double outlet here, we fitted a triple down here, and we fitted one more double down here. So we ran all the cables from these outlets up into this box, and then we had to run all the cables we had to run the cables all the way back. We had to cut one hole here. We had to put the cables all the way back through the ceiling. Okay, we came to this part here, ran the cables through here, and then eventually into the circuit board. This is the space that I saw, so we added in a 16 amp fuse, and now all the outlets in that room are run solely off of this. The rest of the house is run off of this one, which is original to the house. But yeah, it was a good job. Took all day. I am super tired, but I think we're happy with the result. Are we happy with the result? All right. He's shaking his head. All right, guys, that's all for today. Thanks. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what I was contending with on this job. If you've ever passed cables, it goes either really well or really poorly. And I would say 2/3 of this job was spent passing the cables. It was very labor intensive. There was not a lot of room above the ceiling, and one of the reasons for that is because this house has central air conditioning, and the central air conditioning conduit was running right down the middle of the hallway, so all the access was impaired by that. It was a really difficult job. Here you can see the conduit a little bit. It was a really difficult job. It took. I'm spent today. My body is really hurting, but yeah, I'm glad I got it done. It makes me feel good. Can you? I wish we did have another set of stairs. Okay guys, that was my last job of the week, Saturday morning. I like to do one job on Saturday morning, nothing too difficult, because yeah, my girl is asleep still, so I can run out and go do something to make a couple bucks. I'm in a really cool area of the city here. I don't get this view very often, but I thought I'd show you guys. It's really beautiful. This is the other side of the mountain in Barcelona, actually. Okay, but I gotta go, guys. I gotta catch my bus. See ya. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, please share it, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by March 31st. Today is March 16th, 17th, I'm not sure. It's gonna be tight, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. 100 subscribers, I gotta really hustle here. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. All right, guys, are you ready? This is what I charged. I charged 100 euros for this, okay? So, like I said, I had to pick it up from his office. I had to bring my cart with me to haul it here. Then I brought it upstairs, I built it, and now I gotta take the keys back. So I'm charging 100 euros plus tax. So it's gonna come to about 121 euros for this piece to be built here on site. What do you think? You think I'm too expensive? You think I'm a good rate? I mean, I am a business. I don't do this for fun. I do this to live. So I think it's a pretty good rate. I think asking for more than that is, I think maybe you're asking a lot. I think if you're taking less than that, you're losing money. So anyway, that's my philosophy on it. So total 121 euros for this.